and today I'll be trying out Salute emote glitch. So the Salute emote glitch is the freest emotes. It's like this.
Your Chromebook is not a toy. Put it away in your backpack.
It's this emote. Okay. So I can try my best to try it out. See if it will work. So to do it, it can go like this. Oh, I messed up. Hold on, guys. Try again. Salute. Oh, dang it. Wait, can I try out Stadium, guys? Can I try out Stadium? Stadium. Okay, I messed up. Hold on. Again. Do you got this emote? Do you got this emote? Wait, guys, you don't need to ask him that he's in a vid. So guys, shout out to Tyson is cool. So right now I'm gonna be trying out this. So I know how to do the salute. Nah. Huh. Oh, wait, it just flinged me a little bit. Oh, guys, did you see that for a sec? I was like in there for a sec. Okay, guys, how about I try out the tilt emote glitch, which is very free. Oh, dang it. Guys, how do you do this? Okay, try this again. Wait, guys, you can just type in the free emotes in the chat. Do this. /E /E Stadium. See, guys, you can just do that wherever you want. So to do it, it's for you. If you don't have the email, just you can have it for free. It's like here. So my favorite one is Tilt. I'm trying to do it in Alex Kaboom. Hold on, right here. Wait. Alright, guys. Hold on. I'll be back like nice. Alright, guys. So I decided to try out this wall. Alright, so right now let's go ahead and try out the tilt emote glitch. See if it will work. Oh, guys! Guys! Oh, guys, did you see that for a sec? I swear to God. Oh, God. Hold on, do this. Hold on. I got up. Oh, yeah, sorry, guys. Alright, tilt. Go! Oh, guys, it just worked. Did you see that? I was through that wall. Again, hold on. Oh, dang it. Okay, guys, how about I just do this? Alright, do this. And then jump! Oh, dang. Okay. Okay, by the way, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the vid. Did you guys not see this person over here? Over there. He was just like right there, guys. Huh. That was weird. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll play more, and by the way, sorry I haven't recorded. So, see ya.